Duplicate Files Fixer Pro is a powerful utility designed to help users identify and remove duplicate files from their devices, ensuring efficient storage management and improved system performance. Developed for Windows, macOS, and Android, this software provides a user-friendly interface and advanced scanning algorithms to locate identical files scattered across your system. By eliminating duplicates, it frees up valuable disk space and reduces unnecessary clutter. The core feature of Duplicate Files Fixer Pro is its advanced scanning technology, which allows it to detect duplicate files with high accuracy. It can scan various file types, including documents, images, videos, audio files, and archives. The software goes beyond file names to compare content, ensuring that even duplicates with different names are identified. After scanning, it presents results in an organized manner, allowing users to preview duplicates before deletion and avoid accidental removal of important files. One of the highlights of Duplicate Files Fixer Pro is its flexibility in customization. Users can set criteria for identifying duplicates such as file size, type, and location, or exclude specific folders from the scan. This customization ensures that the tool focuses only on areas where duplicates are likely to exist, making the process efficient and tailored to the user's needs. It also includes options for automatic selection of duplicates, saving users the time and effort of manual sorting. In addition to cleaning up local storage, the software supports scanning external devices such as USB drives and SD cards, making it a versatile solution for managing storage across multiple platforms. Its intuitive interface ensures that even novice users can navigate the features effortlessly. Duplicate Files Fixer Pro also offers a backup feature, allowing users to restore files if needed, providing peace of mind during the cleanup process. Overall, Duplicate Files Fixer Pro is a valuable tool for anyone looking to declutter their system and optimize storage. Its advanced features, accuracy, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for both casual and professional users. Whether you're dealing with limited disk space or organizing your digital library, Duplicate Files Fixer Pro offers an efficient and reliable solution.